The world of freelancing offers a plethora of opportunities for those who wish to break free from the confines of a 9-to-5 job. Whether you're a writer, designer, developer, or any other professional, the freelance market has a space for you. However, the challenge often lies in finding the right opportunities. Here are over 10 strategies to help you navigate the freelance world and secure the best gigs. Build a strong portfolio. Before you even start looking for freelance work, ensure you have a robust portfolio. This is your chance to showcase your skills, past projects, and what you can bring to the table. Make sure it's well organized, easy to navigate, and highlights your best work. Leverage freelance platforms. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr have become the go-to places for freelancers. Create a compelling profile, highlight your skills, and start bidding on projects that align with your expertise. Network, network, network. Never underestimate the power of networking. Attend industry events, join webinars, and participate in online forums. The more people you meet, the higher the chances of landing a referral or learning about a new opportunity. Personal website and blog. Having a personal website gives you a professional edge. It's a platform where potential clients can learn more about you, view your portfolio, and contact you directly. Additionally, maintaining a blog can establish you as an authority in your field. Use social media platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and even Instagram can be goldmines for freelancers. Share your work, engage with industry leaders, and join groups or forums related to your field. Cold outreach. While it might sound daunting, cold emailing or calling can be effective. Research companies that might need your services and craft a personalized pitch. Remember, the key is to offer value, not just ask for work. Collaborate with other freelancers. Sometimes projects require skills that are outside your expertise. By collaborating with other freelancers, you can take on bigger projects and expand your client base. Offer promotions or discounts. If you're new to the freelancing world, offering a limited-time discount can attract clients. It's a way to get your foot in the door and build a client base. Ask for referrals. Happy clients are often willing to refer you to others. Don't be shy about asking for referrals. If you've delivered quality work, clients will be more than happy to recommend you. Stay updated with industry trends. The freelance market is dynamic. By staying updated with the latest trends in your industry, you can adapt and offer services that are in demand. Join freelance associations. Many industries have associations or groups dedicated to freelancers. Joining these can provide you with resources, job boards, and networking opportunities. Diversify your skill set. The more skills you have, the more opportunities you can tap into. Consider taking online courses or attending workshops to expand your skill set. Finding freelance work requires a mix of proactive strategies and patience. While the journey might be challenging, the rewards of flexibility, autonomy, and the potential for unlimited earnings make it worth the effort. Remember, every freelancer started somewhere, and with persistence and the right strategies, you can carve a niche for yourself in the freelance world. Attend workshops and conferences. Workshops and conferences are not just for learning. They are also excellent platforms for networking. By attending these events, you can meet potential clients, learn about upcoming projects, and even find collaborators for future work. Optimize your online presence. Search engine optimization, SEO, isn't just for businesses. As a freelancer, having an online portfolio or website that ranks well on search engines can increase your visibility to potential clients. Invest time in learning basic SEO techniques or consider hiring an expert to optimize your site. Guest post on industry blogs. Guest posting allows you to showcase your expertise to a wider audience. By writing for reputable blogs in your industry, you not only establish authority, but also get the chance to direct readers to your portfolio or website. Offer free webinars or workshops. Sharing your knowledge through free webinars or workshops can position you as an expert in your field. While you're offering value for free, the exposure and credibility you gain can lead to paid opportunities. Join co-working spaces. Co-working spaces are hubs for freelancers and startups. By joining one, you can immerse yourself in a community of like-minded professionals, making it easier to find collaborative projects or learn about new freelance opportunities. Always seek feedback from clients, even if the project ended on a positive note. Constructive feedback can help you improve, while positive testimonials can be added to your portfolio to attract more clients. The world of freelancing is vast and full